In this video, we'll show you how to make and return phone calls using Apple CarPlay. This requires an iPhone with the latest software and the manufacturer-supplied USB cable. And Apple CarPlay must be activated. Once activated, you will see the Apple CarPlay icon in the lower right-hand corner of the UVO Home screen. Select Apple CarPlay. This will take you to the Apple CarPlay Home screen. To initiate a call, select the phone icon.
Whom shall I help you call?
Now you see 5 basic phone features to choose from: Favorites, Recents, Contacts, Keypad, and Voicemail. Swipe the screen to scroll up and down through the list. Or you can scroll through the list quickly using the up and down arrows. Touch the contact name or number to initiate a call. Returning a call? Just as easy. Select the Recents option from the phone menu. Scroll to the call you wish to return and tap the name or number. Here again, the interface is very similar to what you would normally see on the iPhone. When in Park, you can access voicemail and keypad functions in the same manner we just covered. Complete iPhone integration, and that includes Siri voice activation features. Simply use the steering wheel controls and voice commands to access Siri. Siri, call home.
Calling home.
And the steering wheel controls can also be used to answer incoming calls and end calls. Making and returning calls with Apple CarPlay, an integrated UVO solution for your Kia and your smartphone. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the Quick Start Guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.